AHAVA blessings and welcome to the Yod He Vav He practice. And this is a very, very powerful practice to bring in the frequency of the Yod He Vav He and also to activate the Yod He Vav He within us. Now we can do this practice at any time because it's always really, really powerful. When we do it in the month of Elul, Virgo, it is connected to the permutation, the DNA permutation of the Yod He Vav He that is activating our DNA strands. And also, one of the things that I truly love about this meditation is that if we see it as the father, the mother, the divine child, and then the rebirth into the infinity, which is again the He, which is this Yod He Vav He, that the last He is just the expansion of divine love. That's what we're really bringing in, and we're bringing in all of the activations of the letters Yod, of He, Vav, and He, right? And we know that when a letter begins with Yod, or a sentence with Yod, and this is the name of Allah, one of the names of Allah, and it also is the infinite seed of potential, the infinite seed of creation. And so we're going to start by bringing the hands interlaced behind and just bend a little bit, okay? Yod. He with the right leg, Vav, He, the left, and we continue. Yod. He, Vav, He. 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 Yod. He, Vav, Yod, He, Vav, He, 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 Yod, He, Vav, He. And now we shake 52 rounds, okay? That's what we do, 52 rounds. If you want to do more, you can, but 52 is the least amount of numbers to really activate the Yod He Vav in the body. You're probably sweating a little bit. You've moved the whole body, which is part of the Yod of breaking the seed. So the Yod wants us to really move the body and also bring in the change that we need in our life, that the soul needs, so that we can evolve and ascend. Sending so much love. AHAVA.